Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto review. This site is new mining site, so I want to introduce this site. Before I introduce my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Here is two part. One part crypto related video uploaded in this site, and other part travel related video uploaded in this site. If you get any information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive on notification very fastly. I hope you will join my Telegram YouTube channel, and also joining my Telegram group name is BCH Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. Already 124 member available here. So most of the time many people share their new mining say in my Telegram group. If you joining my Telegram, you will get any information and crypto related. So main is the main topic is I create this account for BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. If you have a core mining, if you want to increase your mining, please joining my Telegram group, share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group, and also other side you can collect your essential from my Telegram group. Any member you waiting for you. I hope you will joining my Telegram group. So no restriction, no any option. So I hope you will freely join this site. সো আপনারা অবশ্যই জয়েন হবে বিটিএস সাতোশি গিফট কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জ, যে আপনারা আপনাদের কোর মাইনিং সহ অন্যান্য যে যাবতীয় আছে সকল কিছু আপনারা এখানে তথ্য শেয়ার করতে পারেন। এখানে শেয়ার করার করতে কোনো বাধা নেই। নাও আই গো টু মাই মেইন টপিক. This site name is BCH Miner. I already joining this site in previous day, but I cannot make this video for my sickness. This site is USD mining site, but my account was not working, and also I cannot withdraw from this site because they also show me its USDT TRC20. Because now I opening this account by ERC20. So I hope they cannot payment me. I opening a new account. For how to join this site, I also show you. So please keep watching. If you click my link, you come to this site. Here is their main site dashboard. Here is no show here TRC20 needed, but I also follow them also opening this account by ERC20. আমি এখানে ERC20 দিয়ে খুলে ফেলছি, কিন্তু যেহেতু এখানে কিছু বলা ছিল না তাই আমি খুলে ফেলছিলাম। তো এখানে TRC20 নিডেড এবং BNB20 বা এগুলা BEP20 এগুলা কোনো কাজ হবে না। সো আপনাকে TRC20 ফলো নিয়ে আসতে হবে। So you cannot any method with is opening this account. You need to TRC20 needed. Okay, here is my main type of mining plan. So if you want to board this, you can easily board this. So this site payment proof site. So here is a show here how to earning from this side. BCH miner is the new mining site, is the new planning for available here. So affiliated program, if you have a affiliated, I just show here, easily you got this affiliate upgraded mining by. If you have any question, please here is a show answer here. So with how can I use you can generate 1 tier CUD without every day. So you if you earn each 40% in the referral get updated. If any referral upgraded this plan, you get 40%. So how long the take deposit 1 to 60 and withdraw 1 USDT. Okay. So now what do I do? Okay, I also paste my using my address, TR setting the address. Now starting option. Yes, use also mining. Now my mining activated 10 days only. Okay, my earning my rate will show here, and every day I earn from this site 0.10. So withdraw. I also show you. If you have any 1 USDT, will withdraw to your wallet address. সো আপনারা $1 হলে এখান থেকে উইথড্র করতে হবে না। আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে আমি এখানে তুলে পেয়েছি আপনাদের মাইনিং প্ল্যান শুরু করে 9 দিনের মতো 10 দিনের মতো দেখাচ্ছে। সো এটা একটা ভালো সাইট, আপনারা অবশ্যই তাড়াতাড়ি জয়েন হয়ে নেবেন বিসিএস মাইনার। সো আমাকে আমার গ্রুপ থেকেই দেওয়া হয়েছিল এই লিঙ্কটা, আমি তাদের মাধ্যমে জয়েন হয়েছিলাম। সো এইখানে আশা করি আপনারাও জয়েন হয়ে নেবেন এবং দ্রুত মাইনিং করবেন। ওকে, বেশি দেরি করবেন না ভাই, সময় থাকতে মাইনিংটা করে ফেলুন। দ্রুত মাইনিং করলে আপনাদের জন্যই ভালো। সো I hope you are joining this site very as soon as possible. So you needed money, please, or USDT. So please join. So take care of yourself. If you thinking this video is useful to you, like this. And have you any question, have you faced any problem, please share with me. I also try to good feedback to you. So hopefully you will very well. So take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.